You just got back from a trip, and now it's time to get back into the real world. And I know what you're thinking. You may dread the thought of going back into a routine and would rather go back on another vacation from your vacation. And if you feel this way, this video is for you. As much fun as travel is, it is just as important to treat your routine as sacred. Your day-to-day life in between trips allows you to connect with yourself. And I often take mine for granted. Cheers to the mundane. Taking a long hot shower, getting 8 hours of sleep, drinking enough water, unpacking, doing laundry, cooking a meal. The list goes on. When we start to treat our day-to-day life as exciting and romantic as travel, we will soon realize there is so much beauty in the day-to-day. You'll feel more inspired, you'll feel more at peace, and ultimately, you will feel more connected to yourself. And in this crazy world we live in, our sense of self is our biggest asset. In the next 11 minutes, I'm taking you through a journey that involves resetting myself post-travel. I strive to be as honest as possible in my vlogs, and this video is no different. If you're the type of person who likes lists and writing things down, I highly recommend grabbing a pen and paper and taking some notes. I believe everyone will benefit from a proper travel reset routine. And as always, modify as needed because it is your life. And I hope you enjoy this video. Take you guys through my ideal post-travel routine. These are things that I do pretty much every single time I come back from a trip to make sure I am feeling good about the transition back into reality. I literally just got off the plane like 2.5 hours ago. Now we're back home, showered, did a tiny bit of work, took a mini nap, waiting for my groceries. One thing I love to do if I can is order groceries to arrive the day I come back. I feel like it's such a hassle to think about going out and getting food the day you come back. Like, that is the last thing I want to do. Like, no, I don't want to do that. I ordered Whole Foods delivery. It's coming in like 30 minutes. That's just one thing I know that I can do for my future self to make my day a little easier. Oh, hi. Groceries are here. Time for a little grocery haul. Got some ground chicken, stir fry, some bagels, 1 yellow onion, protein waffles, brown rice, strawberries, liquid IV packs, 2 different flavors of Olipop. I'm very loyal to Poppy, but I saw these and these intrigued me. A huge part of getting back into routine for me is making sure I'm super hydrated. Water is the first thing that goes out the window, something I don't prioritize, which is not good. I have my liquid IV. I talk about it all the time. I usually drink the immune support one. This one is just the strawberry one. The strawberry one's pretty good. It just doesn't have the immune support part, but I prefer that one. Cheers. I wanted to talk about the importance of getting back into a workout routine post-travel. Getting back into a workout routine helps my physical and mental health greatly. A key tool I use for my workout recovery is the Q2 Pro massage gun. A kind thank you to Bob and Brad for sponsoring this portion of the video. This massage gun is intentionally built to improve patient and athlete recovery. The small, lightweight design easily fits in your bag, making it a perfect travel companion. It gives you the flexibility to choose between cold and heat therapy. Cold therapy is great after workouts to help muscles and reduce swelling. Heat therapy is good before workouts to improve blood flow and flexibility. With its weight less than 1 pound and offering 5 adjustable speeds, this is your most reliable workout partner. I personally get so sore in between workouts, so this has been a game changer. Even when I didn't do a hard workout, I find this useful. Whether I tweaked my back or neck after sleeping, or I'm just super sore from a long walk in the city, this has come in clutch to ease the tension in my body overall. You can try this for yourself and get a 10% discount using my code NKMadani at checkout. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about this product and shop. And let me know if you try it out. I make it a priority to wash my brushes right after a trip because I find that is where I break out if I don't wash them. If you've been following my saga, you know that I've been actively trying to incorporate more protein in my diet. I'm proud to say that I am hitting about 90 grams of protein per day. I will be so honest, at first, this was a very hard goal to achieve because I'm so used to eating meals that are not super balanced. After doing a deeper dive into what I am consuming and finding where the gaps are, that was the game changer for me. If you want a list of the high protein foods I consume, let me know in the comments. This is my lunch: avocado toast on a everything bagel, cream cheese, and honey. Okay. Got a PR package from Salt and Stone. I have the vetiver and Santal body wash in the bathroom right now. Other body wash, they have a bergamot and hinoki. Two items I've not tried yet are their deodorant and body lotion. Oh, it smells so good. Oh wow, that smells so good. Oh my god. I made another liquid IV. This one is the tropical punch. I've just been working for the last like 4 hours. It's been nice to just sit on the couch. I love working from home and I'm so thankful for that. Work where I want to work. Like I could work outside if I wanted to, but like I said, we're in recovery mode. Right now it is 5 o'clock. I'm gonna push through like 2 more hours of work and then I'm gonna make dinner. I'll see you at dinner. It is 8 o'clock, a little later than I expected, but we are still sticking to the program, making dinner. We're making chicken fried rice. I've had this before. I really liked it. The recipe's from TikTok. I will link it in the description of this video. Let's get started. I have to say I missed cooking, which I never thought I would ever admit that. I never grew up loving to cook. I am somewhat of an impatient person, so waiting upwards of an hour to prepare one meal was never enticing to me. But I have to say it is less about enjoying cooking and more about missing how good I feel when I eat whole foods. I was just on a trip, as you know, and I ate out every single meal, which there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. When you're on a trip, you should be enjoying yourself, eating, honestly, whatever you want. In my opinion, there's no rules. But I couldn't help but feel that lull of energy because I'm eating a lot of processed food, a lot of sugar, and I truly missed a home-cooked meal. So I was super excited to spend the evening cooking a meal that not only I love so much, but was super nutritious, super filling, and made me feel good. I can say with certainty that when I feel my best, it is directly correlated to what I am consuming, my nutrition, what I'm eating. And the act of cooking is an ultimate form of self-care. Dinner is served. It's so good. Definitely recommend this one. Let's make a Sleepy Girl mocktail. It's good. I've never tried this before, but it is really good with it. Okay, let's get into our skincare because our skincare matters just as much as every other topic in this video. I love throwing on a clarifying mask to get the gunk out post-travel. Here I am watching some Netflix in between And a mini skin update. I have been going to a facialist for the past 6 months, and I can honestly see a world of difference. And I am by no means saying you need to go to a facialist. I personally chose this for myself, but I will say everyone needs a skincare routine. Think small. It can be as simple as a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a serum. When I travel, I do not do my full-blown skincare routine. I make it a priority to focus on it post-travel. And given how much makeup I usually wear on trips, I like to give myself no makeup days for at least 3 to 4 days after travel. I'm all ready for bed. It is 10:30. I'm going to go to sleep now so that I can start getting back on the East Coast time zone. Good night and see you in the morning. Oh my God, I slept for 12 hours. My body is obviously so tired. I honestly needed to give myself that rest. Your body does need essentially a vacation from your vacation. People talk about that all the time. I just didn't think I would sleep for 12 hours, but I wanted to be really honest about that. A lot of people come on here and they're like I just bounce back and la 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 la. Okay, well, most people don't bounce back that easily. Your body is the most important vehicle you have. You need to take care of it, and everything is secondary to that. Yes, I am thankful I work from home. I know that there are privileges of that, so I'm not discounting that by any means. Things on the agenda for today: take a walk. Some movement will be good. I miss getting my steps in. I'm gonna journal as well. I haven't journaled in a while, I'll be so honest. Playing will be good to just kind of do a brain dump of just things I've been feeling. My emotions a little sorted. I feel like that is also really helpful for like post-travel. On vacation, it feels like you're in a little bubble. Like, yes, it's real life, but it's like highlights. You're doing things that you don't do in your day-to-day. Things I did on the trip, half of this I do not do regularly. Felt very like grandiose. Dialing it back into real life, reflecting on the experiences and how I feel is really important to me. Those are a few other things that I like to do on my reset, stimulate back into like my regular routine, normal life. Giving myself grace is the most important thing. Listen to your body, do things that feel good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Till next time, I will see you in my next video.